Another tornado warning out in Arkansas. This is for Jackson and northern Jackson and southeastern Independence County until 9:45. At 9 o'clock, National Service radar indicated storm cable producing tornado. The severe storm was located 3 miles south of Oil Trough and 13 miles west of Newport. Doppler showed a severe storm moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Location and path of this dangerous storm include Newport, Tuckerman, Swifton, Oil Trough, Newark, Jacksonport, Ruggs, EAS, Dida, Stego, Oliphant, Max, Kenyon, Hale, Irwin, Elgin, Dowdy, and Campbell Station. Roughly 1/3 of Arkansas tornadoes occur at night. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait till you see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. There you have it, folks. The same storm that produced the wedge tornado and all those tornado emergencies continue to hit out tornado in northeast Oklahoma. Yeah, that's not good.
We'll see a little bit better chance of some storms for our neck of the woods, but it's going to take a couple more days for that system.
Okay, but anyway, tornado warning for Jackson and Independence County in Arkansas until 9:45 p.m.